Manufacturing managers are continuously under pressure to deliver cost reductions and capacity improvements. Monitoring and controlling factory performance is becoming increasingly difficult for most manufacturing companies. Managers often feel frustration at being unable to meet production targets even though their factories have wasted capacity. OEE Systems International are the OEE people, working with the world's leading manufacturing companies to address these challenges. OEE Systems International have developed the science of manufacturing, a set of proven principles combining technical innovation with a focus on people and culture used to deliver successful continuous improvement programs. Our Science of Manufacturing approach shows how our Operational Excellence OEE software, PerformOEE, helps manufacturing managers to identify improvement opportunities, deliver increased capacity, and reduce costs. Delivering operational excellence solutions based on data-driven technical and cultural development, only OEE systems can truly deliver successful OEE solutions based on the science of manufacturing. Download our Science of Manufacturing guide today.